my beautiful people, this is Pooja Nautiyal. Welcome back to my channel. I firstly want to apologize for not posting from a long time. I've been getting so many DMs on Instagram and even personal messages of my friends that why am I not posting on YouTube anymore. So in the past few weeks, days, or I can say months actually, I've been pretty busy with something going on in my personal life. So that is the reason I couldn't post, but today I am here to share my updated skincare regime with you. So those of y'all who've been following me from a long time know that I personally have been dealing with adult acne for quite some time now, and I've tried every measure to get rid of it. Currently, by God's grace, my skin's doing great. I've not been using too many products. I've kept my skincare routine to a minimal, be it my AM or PM routine, and that's what I'm going to share with you all today. So as I said, I have been using too many active ingredients in the past few months because of my acne issue and acne scarring issue, which is my updated skincare regime. So as I was saying, so because of all the moving and because of all the active usage, I have brought my skincare regime and routine to a very minimum bar, I can say. So that is something which I'm going to share with you all today. So let's just get straight into the video and don't waste too much time. So the first thing which I'm using is a cleanser. As I said in my earlier videos as well, that a cleanser is one of the most important things in your skincare regime. If you don't have a good cleanser in your routine, your skin is not going to work the way you want it to. So the cleanser I'm using is the Derma-Co Salicylic Acid Cleanser. Now this is a very beautiful formulation. This one has 1% salicylic acid but does not strip your skin with its natural oils or natural hydration and that moisturization barrier. It just cleans your skin from within. And all the girlies or the boys who are watching me right now who've been dealing with acne, I want to say that salicylic acid is your star ingredient and should be a star ingredient in your skincare routine. I don't use a serum particularly differently. As I said, that I have made my skincare routine very minimal, so that is the reason I have opted for a face wash which has that one particular active in it, which works great for me. So this cleanser has salicylic acid, as I said, 1%. It has witch hazel also, which is very good for acne and that acne causing bacteria as well. Willow bark extract, and you can use this cleanser day and night. So I'm using the same cleanser for my AM routine as well as my PM routine. Now coming straight to the moisturizer, I'm not using a toner, neither am I using a serum. So I don't need a serum because that active thing is included in the face wash, as well as the face wash balances my pH very naturally and very nicely. That is the reason I don't need a toner otherwise. So the moisturizer which I'm using currently is the Excella moisturizer. So this is a matte feel moisturizer for oily and acne prone skin. This is a pharmacy based product, but you do not need a doctor or a dermatologist recommendation, prescription for this product. You can just straight out go to a pharmacy and get it, or you can order it online from Flipkart or Amazon, anywhere. Okay, so as I was saying, this Excella moisturizer by Cipla is a matte finish moisturizer. It has niacinamide in it, so another active in the ingredient list of the moisturizer, so I don't need it particularly in a different form, in an essence or a serum form. So I'm using this moisturizer. This is very good. It doesn't break me out, it doesn't give me acne, it keeps my skin nourished and moisturized, but at the same time it gives me that matte feeling, so I don't feel oily and sticky throughout the day. Hands down, this is one of the best matte moisturizers that I've used in my life till now. The last thing which I'm using in my skincare routine is my sunscreen. Now I'm not saying that this is the only sunscreen I'm using. For my tinted glow, I'm using the Fix Derma tinted sunscreen. For in my usual days, I'm using this Dot & Key watermelon cooling sunscreen, which is SPF 50. So is the Fix Derma one, but I like this because it has niacinamide and it gives you that beautiful glow. With this, I'm also sometimes using Aqualogica vitamin C serum. So there's no specific sunscreen that I'm using every day. So on some days I'm using this one, on some days I'm using the Aqualogica vitamin C serum, vitamin C sunscreen, and on most of the days, because I don't do makeup usually, but I need that glow on my face and that, you know, soft and supple look, so I use the Fix Derma tinted sunscreen. So other than this, one product which I've added into this is this Vaseline Lip Therapy lip balm, which I'm currently using. So I use the normal Vaseline on daily basis or on everyday basis, but other than that, I think this one is like really nice because it gives that you know, beautiful soft pink tint to your lips, but at the same time moisturizes your lips from within. And somebody like me, because of the active usage on my face and due to the acne, sometimes my lips also tend to get dry. So for that, I require something which is ultra nourishing and moisturizing at its end. So this is literally one of the best lip balms that I've used till now, and I've used so many.
Also, this is the Benzer 5% gel, which is a benzoyl peroxide 5% concentration gel, which I use as a spot treatment nowadays, and it works wonders.
And that was it. This is my skincare routine. I am not using anything apart of these products. Like, of course I'm using makeup and stuff like that, but I'm not using anything extra, and I think my skin has never been better. It's feeling great. I feel good about myself because my skin's doing great. So yeah, that's my updated skincare routine. I hope it was of help. If you want to see my body care and hair care routine, I can share that too, so please comment down below. Other than that, I'm also going to come up with like a very good video. I had posted a story on Instagram which said what should be the next topic of my YouTube video, and a lot of people gave me a lot of suggestions, and there are a few suggestions which I would like to go with and I'd like to shoot. So keep on waiting for that and keep loving my videos. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye everyone.